Hey everyone! Are you watching 3D kids videos on YouTube, like Baby Shark or Cocomelon, and wondering how people make them and earn millions? Well, in today's video, I'll show you step by step how you can create your own 3D kids videos even if you don't know animation, and start earning from YouTube. Rock it! So stay till the end because you'll learn everything from creating to uploading to earning. The first step is to choose a simple, kid-friendly topic. Don't overthink. Start with something fun like learning colors, ABC songs, animal sounds, fruit songs, or moral stories. These topics are evergreen. Kids love to watch them again and again. Now, write a short and catchy script or song. Use rhymes, repetition, and simple words. Example, red apple, green pear, fruits are fun to share. You can even ask AI tools like ChatGPT to write your full kid song or story for free. Just tell it your topic. Here's where the magic happens, making 3D animation. You don't need to be a professional animator anymore. Try easy tools like Animaker 3D, Renderforest Kids Video Maker, or Beyond 3D. You can also use AI tools like Pixverse, Huo AI, or Kaiber to turn your text into a 3D animated video automatically. Create one main character, like Baby Dino or Lily the cat, and use them in every video to build your brand. Next step, add voices and music. You can record your own voice or use AI voices from 11labs.play.ht or murph.ai. For background music, use free sound libraries like YouTube Audio Library, Mixkit, or Bensound. Kids love bright, happy tunes, so pick music that makes them smile and dance. Once you have your animation, combine everything in CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or Premiere Rush. Add subtitles, cute stickers, and fun sound effects like pop or ding. Make it colorful, clean, and full of movement. Remember, kids love energy. Now upload your 3D Kids video to YouTube. Create a bright thumbnail with smiling characters and a colorful background. Use a catchy title like Learn Colors with Baby Dino, 3D Kid Song. Add your tags, description, and short intro for your channel. Once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for YouTube monetization and earn real money from ads. Keep uploading regularly, at least 2 to 3 videos per week. Make a series so kids come back to watch more. Translate your videos into other languages, English, Urdu, Hindi, Arabic, and earn from global viewers. So now you know how to create amazing 3D kids videos and start earning on YouTube. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. What type of 3D kids video should I explain next? See you soon, and happy creating!